Hello viewers, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this quick tutorial, we will explore how to split cells in Google Sheets. So let's get started the video. First, you have to open your Google Sheet containing your splitting data. Now all you need to do, click the cell you want to split and then go to the data menu at the top. Now choose split text to columns. Then click detect automatically. Then after we gonna click a space. You will now see the data split into separate columns based on the chosen delimiter. It's that easy. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.